Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on a Thursday, June the 11th. This is a Sudoku with 3 stars, and in this additional there are 6 Sudokus, so 4 Sudokus to go, so let's get started. Alright, let me see. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. There are 4, so no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. And we have a pair with the 7 in this column, 7 in that column. So in the column next, the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here and there. So we have a 7 and a 4 as a pair. That means the other 3 numbers are the numbers 3, 5 and the 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. So the 9 could be here or could be there. The 5, we see here a 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So here we have the 9 and the 3, 9 and the 3. I think I marked them so you can follow this easier. 9 and the 3, 9 and the 3, and those 2 are the 7 and the 4, 7 and the 4. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the column between, the only place for the 4 should be there. And then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers and 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. There 1, so no 1 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 6, 2. How about the 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. Then 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8, should be here. And then four. How about the number? The number. 3. The number. Here should be the 6. 2. Yeah. 8. We have a pair here. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. Same with the 7, 7 in this row, 7 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 7, here or there. So we have a pair 7 and 8, 7 and an 8. Then 5. Yes, also a pair 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those numbers, the missing numbers, are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 here, so no 9 and a 5 in these two boxes. So the 9 and the 5 goes in those two boxes, 9 and a 5, 9 and a 5. That means the other two numbers are the numbers 3 and the 6 as a pair. 3 and a 6, 3 and a 6. Here a pair, there a pair, and here a pair. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so in the middle column, only place for the 6 should be here. And then three, 6, 3, and the 2. 9, 9. Yes. No. 1. 1, 7, and 8. 4 goes here. The 8. 8, 8, yes. 8, 8. Well. 5, 5. So here goes the 5. We have a pair again. 5 in this row, first row. 5 in the third row. So in the second row, the row between, the only two places for the 5, here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. Same with the 9. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be here. 1, 9, 7, and 8. One number. 3, 3. Here should be the 3 because we have a 3 here. 1, 1. Okay. Let me think. Yeah, let me think. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. All right. 6, 6. How about do we have? No, we don't. 3, 8, 5, 7, and the 4. So here cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 3. 3, 3. So the 4 should be here. So the 2 and the 6 are left. The 2 and the 6. 2 and a 6. Let me think. These 3 numbers. The 1 is missing. The 3 is missing. and the 5 is missing. 5 should be here. The 1 and the 3 could be here. No, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 7, 4. How about these 3 numbers with 6, 3? So 7, 8 and a 1 is missing. Yes, in this column. Oh, I see here 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 1 should be here. Okay. So here we have 1 number left. Should be the 7 and the 8 because the other 2 are the 6 and the 3 as a pair. But we have an 8 here, so this cannot be an 8. This should be at the 7 and this should be the 8. This should be the 7. We have a 7 here, so this should be the 4. This should be the 7. We have a pair. Here we have a 7 in this row, 7 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 2 places for the 7 here or there. I see here 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. How about these 2 numbers are left, the 8 and the 9. 8 and a 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9. No. We have a 9 there. 8 and 3. 8 and no 3 we have there. 8 and a 1. Yeah, we have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 1, 1. That means in the column between, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 1 in this row, 1 in the last row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. The only place for the 1 should be here. Now we have 2 missing numbers, 6 and a 3 as a pair. The 2 must be one of those 2 boxes. 2 missing numbers here, the 5 and the 3, I believe. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 5. How about these 2 numbers in this big square? The 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3 as a pair. 7 in this column, 7 middle columns on the column next. The only 2 places for the 7 here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 3 places for the 7 here, here or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 9 is missing, and the 8 is missing. These 2 boxes are reserved for the 9 and the 5 because those 2 boxes reserved for the 2 and the 3. 9 and the 5, we see here 5, so this should be the 9 and this should be the 5. Here we have the 9 and the 5, this should be the 9 now. let me drink some tea. Talk too much. Talk too much. Now we have 2 missing numbers. 2 and 8. Do we have a 2 and an 8? Yes, we have an 8 here. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left. In this big square, the 2 and the 3. No, the 2 and the 9. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 9 goes there. 9 in this row. 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9. Here or there. I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 2 missing numbers, the 2 and the 3 in this row. We see here 3, no 3 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. 1 box left, the 2, yes. 2 in this column, 2 in the column next. On the last column, the only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for the 2 should be here. 6 and the 3 are missing in this big square. So we have a 3 in this column, so this cannot be a 3. This should be a 9. This should be a 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing and an 8. 5 and an 8. That means in the last row, also the 5 and the 8. You see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column. Number 3 is missing. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing and the 8 is missing. We have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 4 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 3, I believe. Yes. Now we have a 3 there. So this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be the 3. And this should be the 6. We have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3. This should be the 3. And this should be the 6. And the final 2 numbers in this big square, the 6 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku, great 3 Stars Sudoku. Do you like this? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we have 3 Sudokus to go. So I will see you in a minute with the 4th Sudoku. That will be a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later and bye bye for now.